Hey, my name is Jasper. I will show you today how the electricity in a camper works and what are the most common problems that could appear and how you can find a proper solution for that. So here we have the control panel for our electricity. Here is the main power button to turn the electricity on in the camper van. You can see now it's green and we can turn on the light. If we turn it off, it directly goes off. The other light here is that you connect it with the campground electricity, so the battery gets charged from the outside. If you want to charge while driving, the electricity on your control panel should be turned on, then the booster is doing its job. Here is a battery sign on the control panel. If you touch this, you can see your charging status of the battery. So at the moment it's quite green. If it goes red, you definitely should charge it. To connect the car with the campsite ground electricity, we need the adapter from 16 ampere to the normal plug. And we just stick this one into the car, open the plug here and put it in. It's only one way to put it in. Then we roll out the cord. Here we need the other adapter. Just plug it in the campsite electricity. It's only one way to put it in. And here I always like to make a knot so I can be sure nobody or nothing will put it out. Put in the plug into the cord, and then I like to store it under the car so it's a little bit protected from the rain. If you are connected to the electricity of the campground and the 230 volt plugs are not working, make sure that these fuses are turned on. Here we have 4 plugs, 2 USB plugs and 2 230 volt plugs. The 230 volt plugs are only working if you're connected to the campground electricity. The USB plugs are always working when you have the battery electricity turned on.